How to install Kali Linux in Termo no root. Prerequisite. Android device stock unmodified device, no root or custom recovery required. Installation. Install the nethunter store app from store.nethunter.com. From the nethunter store, install Termo, nethunter Kex client, and Hacker's keyboard. Note: the button install may not change to installed in the store client after installation, just ignore it. Open Termo and type Termo setup storage. Pick install widget. Widget O install nethunter Termo https://offs.ec/termux chmod plus x install nethunter Termo. Install nethunter Termo. Now let's get to work. Type this command first: apt update and an apt upgrade. Apt install git. Apt install python 2. Apt install git clone https://github.com/n/garg963/nethunter-and-termux.git ls cd nethunter in termo chmod plus x nethunter ls nethunter. Select your phone architecture. If don't know, type 3, then select 10 revolution to install 1321 tig checking up ls./start kali.sh. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch interesting videos like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel.